What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Enderman from Minecraft. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the head. So we start on the left side. Let's draw a straight line going across from left to right. Now I want to round out the corners of the head. So we're going to go out and then down along the side. And we want to draw that same length line coming down along the side of the head. So bring this down to right about here. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom corners of the head. And it comes straight across towards the right. And then round out that corner. Now I want to turn our square head into a cube. So from the top corners, it's going to angle this up and then back. Just round out the corners, come straight across towards the right, and then round that off. Now I'm going to go to the center of our cube and draw a straight line coming in from the left side. I'm just trying to leave a gap in between the eyes. Move over towards the right, and then do the same thing. From the inside of the eyes, draw a straight line coming down. And it'll go straight out towards the side of the head. Let's create a square in the center of each eye. So from the ends, we're going to step in, draw two lines coming down. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath the head. From the bottom corners, we're going to step in, draw two lines coming down towards the bottom of the body. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I also want to tuck the legs in underneath the body. So from the bottom corner, we're going to step in, draw two straight angled lines coming down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet. I'm just going to trace the inside leg, going all the way back up underneath the body. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top of the body. Let's draw the inside of the arms. I'm going to angle this down and out towards the elbows. And we bring this straight down towards the bottom of the arms. Now just like we did with the legs, just going to flatten this off. And I'll trace the arms along the outside. Let's tuck that up underneath the head. Now let's finish off by adding some texture inside the body. Let's start from the top left side. I'm going to draw a square coming in, down, and then back out. Let's add one above the right eye. I'm just going to work our way across the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Enderman from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.